Hello people, this is Dennis, and today we're gonna talk about the general journal. So the journal, what is it? It's the book of original entry. So what is the book of original entry? Is book of recording financial events. So entering financial event, transaction. So what this event can be receipts, receivables, payments, purchases, and etc. So these events, as you can see, you group them. It's kind of revenue, expenses, which is equal to your assets minus your liabilities. Right? So it's grouped this way. And the rest will be your equity, which is equal to the balance. Right, so we're gonna talk about account right now. And So now let's talk about account. Account is counting. So we're gonna have account asset is equal to liability plus owner's equity. So this is our account 1, account 2, account 3. So we will name this the general account. This is the general account. Right then, when we have 1.01, it's equal to 2.01 plus 3.01. Then we're talking about specific account. Under the assets, we have cash, account payable, and capital. So 101 is cash. It's equal to account payable plus capital, which is equal to assets minus liability is equal to your balance. Should be always greater than 0. So that there is a gain. So we take this concept, and in this case we're gonna balance here to be equal to 0, but in real life you want your owner's equity to be always greater than 0. So we're gonna balance the assets. So this is the view. Also, this counting, I'll add this balances. So now, and this is the balance sheet. The balance sheet A is L plus O, and it's only balance when or this is no loss, no gain. This is a gain. Right, so we're gonna take this balance sheet and make the journal out of it. And we're gonna need 5 things in this journal. Number one, the dates. Number two, the account name. Number three, refer. Number four, debits. Number five, credits. Right? Is what we need for this journal general journal to work. So where is our account coming from? It's coming from asset, which must have a specific account number or account name. So we choose cash. So the reference number is 1.01 or 101. Right? And here we might have account receivable. Here too, just 1.2. And here, note payable. Just go to 2.02. And here we have drawings for 3.2. So the account name comes from the specific of the general account. So therefore, if you have 100 here, you have 100 credit, the balance equal to 0. That means this is balance. Here too can also be a loss too. You gain one or you lose one. Right. So this is the journal and journalizing. Maybe this is the information we call this one, transaction one. Transaction one. So journalizing this entry of transaction data. So we just enter information about this transaction that we're making. That is known as journalizing. We are entering some information, some financial event into